Do you want to transfer WhatsApp channel ownership? You can change the WhatsApp channel owner with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To transfer WhatsApp channel ownership, first, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're on WhatsApp, go to the Updates tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see your status updates and channels list. Now, scroll to find the channel you own and tap on it to open the channel info screen. Now you are on your channel screen. At the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three dots menu icon. From the menu, select Channel Info. On the Channel Info screen, scroll down and tap on Transfer Ownership. Here, you'll see a list of channel admins. Select one to transfer ownership to them. If you haven't added any admin before, first tap on Add Admin to choose the person you want to make the new owner. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to transfer ownership. Tap on Continue to proceed. Ownership of your WhatsApp channel will now be transferred to the selected admin. After transferring ownership, the new owner will have full control of the channel, including managing posts, admins, and settings.